In this video, we will be styling our page, our simple survey form using CSS. And first, we need to link our CSS to our HTML link. And then after we link our CSS, let's go to the CSS workspace. We will change the font style. We will use a custom style named Luckiest Guy. That's the name of the font. So we need to add font face luckiest URL will be, so that's how you will add a font style, a custom font style. Next, we will be styling our H1 font size 3 rem, and then we will add a margin button to 0, and then we will style our P element. Font size will be 2 rem, and then margin top 0. Okay, next H1 and P. Font family will be luckiest, and then display will be black, and then text align center, and then minimum width, and this is how we edit our heading, and we change the font style, and the display is black, text align is center, and see you on the next one.